All right, guys, welcome to math. We are coming to the end of module 2. This is our last week of new content. Oh, I'm so excited. And we're going to start today with a sprint. It is titled Subtract 8. It is on page number 95. Go ahead and get yourself ready. I'm reading the directions now. It says, write the missing number. Pay attention to the addition and subtraction sign. Now, just in case we're getting a little foggy on which book that is our, notice the coloring of the number, Practice Fluency Starry Nights book, page number 95. I think I stalled long enough. You should be about ready. Let me put 1 minute on the clock. Wait for the minute. All right, remember the rules, doing your best. When the bell stops, you stop. On your mark, get set, go. All right, guys, that does mean time is up, so we stopped. And now we can go ahead and check our work. So, come on. Okay, yes, so let's let's check our work. We're going to write the missing number. We're going to pay attention to the addition or subtraction sign. So, starting with question number 1, and if we get it right, we'll give ourselves a check and a little tiny yes. If we get it wrong, we will mark it wrong and make a point to go back and check and think about what we did and how we can do better next time. All right. 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 4, 4, 2, 5, 5, 2, 4, 4, 2, 3. Guys, I'm at the top of column 2. I'm actually on question number 18. 13 minus 8 is 5. 6, 5, 4, 7, 8, 2, 3, 5, 4, 5, 7, 8. All right, excellent job. Write the total number you got correct at the top. Don't forget, hey guys, someone has corrected me before, so keep an eye. I think I did a good job, but let me know if I got it wrong. But yes, that is the end of our sprint. Let's go on to the next part of our lesson. Come on. All right, so continuing on with our lesson, we're going to get into our application problem, which is on page 157 in our Learn book, The Beautiful Flower Fields. You'll notice we're getting really deep in the book now. We're almost done with module 2. So I'm going to read the problem to you, and then I'm going to give you a nice clean shot because the video is going to automatically just get a little break in it where it's going to give you an option to submit your answer. That is your 3 minutes of work time. So you're going to work on it for 3 minutes, and if you get it, put an answer in. If you don't get it, you can even say, I don't know. And then you can keep going because we're going to work through it together, which means you're either getting it for the first time or you're checking your work. Because I may even just use a different strategy than you, and we still both have the same right answer. So let me go ahead and read this problem for you guys. It says, Reuben has 18 toy cars. His car carrier holds 10 toy cars. If Reuben's carrier is full, how many cars are in the carrier and how many cars are outside the carrier. All right, I explained the rules. So I'm gonna get you this good clean shot so you can work this out. All right, so here we are together. Ruben has 18 toy cars. His car carrier holds 10. His carrier is full. And how many are outside and how many are inside? Well, let's see. For Ruben, we're going to start. I think the best strategy is to start with a picture. Let's start with a picture. What I'm going to draw first is a car carrier. What does that look an awful lot like? Exactly, it looks like a 10 frame. Let's start putting Ruben's cars in there. His carrier holds how many? 10. And it is full. So if it holds 10 and it is full, how many cars are inside of the carrier? 10 cars. So let's draw to represent the 10 cars inside the carrier. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, that's the first part of the question. How many cars are in the carrier? 10. It's full. It holds 10. That means there are 10. But he has more cars than that, guys. He's got 18 toy cars. That's a lot of toy cars. We need to figure out how many are outside the carrier. So starting at 10, counting on what's outside of the carrier. So 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. I now have the correct number of cars. Tell me how many are outside the carrier? 8 cars. So 10 are in the carrier and 8 are out of the carrier, making 18. But have we finished answering the question? No, we don't have a word answer. This is a word problem. So 10 cars in, 10 cars in, and 2 parts, and 2 parts, 8 cars out. So 10 cars in and 8 cars out. All right, good job, guys. So that sets us up to get ready to start our lesson because remember we've been talking about team numbers and breaking them apart into 10 and some more. Well, today we're going to look at something similar in that regard. So let's watch me for just a moment, explain to you what's happening, and then we will do some together. And then I'm going to tell you what you're going to do by yourself. Right? Yeah, let's be pretty normal. I do, we do, you do, and then I do again because now I got to check your work to turn in. All right, so when we carry around a red and red bracelet, these bracelets we made at the very beginning of the year, I don't need to count these beads. I know this is 10 beads. This is a group of 10. When I draw and put this shape, this circle, this frame around this picture, I know this is a group of 10. I do not need to count out each interval. It is a group of 10. We know this. So just like here is a group of 10, go on ahead and do this. Did I gain or lose any fingers? So this must still be a group of 10. Getting serious, put my sleeves up. This must still be a group of 10. So 10, 10 once, 110. 10 once, 110. 110, 10 once. It's the same. So yes, the value is the same. So let's say we want to make 12. We'll make 12, so we have 10 out here. How many imaginary numbers, or how many are in our brain numbers are going to be? We need 2 more fingers, so boop, boop, 1, 2. So 10, 11, 12. Got that 1, 2 up in my head, and got this 10 here. This is my group of 10. So that being said, we see 10 as a group. It is a group. And the rest, those are our ones. So 10s and 1s. So you've already seen a little bit, but we're going to actually look at that today. These examples include monies, dimes, and pennies. It is on page 269 in your homework book. It's on page 269 in your homework book. And it's question number 1. Let me see. Yep, 269 in your homework book. Looks like this. Matches my board. We are looking to see the values of these coins. We're going to indicate that number, and then we're going to represent it as how many 10s and 1s. Make sure you're paying attention, you're reading, and you're not just writing for the sake of writing, okay? So, right here, these coins are grouped together. We can't even see each individual coin, but we don't need to. By them being put in a group, it has been told to us that this is a group of 10. I'm just going to say 10. I'm going to give you a little hint right here, guys. Guess what? The math book is not trying to trick you. You don't have to count each individual one. If me and the book tell you it's a group of 10, it's a group of 10. Even if they're all hidden up in there, I promise, even with my arms tucked in here, I still have 10 fingers. This group of 10 is not going anywhere. See? It's hidden, but it's still a group of 10. So if the book tells you that's a group of 10, even if you can't see each individual little coin, I promise it's 10. You don't believe me? All right, let's count them. Just this one time. I'm going to count them just once. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I told you, I'm not trying to trick you. The book's not trying to trick you. So let's treat this as 10. So 10. Now we're going to count by ones because these are loose coins, all loosey-goosey, individual, single coins. So 10, counting by ones. 11, because we're counting on. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. I have 18 cents. So 18 is the same as how many groups of 10? One group of 10, good. We saw that. And how many loose ones? How many just loose coins roll around? 8 ones. So 18 is the same as 1 10 and 8 ones. Let's go ahead and try another one. Okay, see this one, they stuck them in a little coin purse. You can't even see all of them. But by putting them in a group, we know that's a group of 10. So 10, we have to count on. Count by ones. Just count on. Just keep going up. So we have all the coins counted. So 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. This time I have 17 cents. So 17 is the same as, pay attention, they want the ones first this time. How many loose coins? What's in our ones place? How many is that? 7 ones, and how many groups of 10? One group of 10. One is in the tens place, which means it is 110. Good. 110. All right. So let's keep going. We'll do some more practice, guys. A little more practice. All right. Now these ones, this reflects those hide zero cards we've used a couple times. So I'm going to show it to you. Watch out. Hold on. Now, a couple things are happening here. One, we're going to start drawing our tens going up and down. There's a reason. We're not going to keep going this way. We're going to go, we're going to turn it this way. And when it's time for us to draw this number, we're going to use this line to draw the group of 10. That's what that's there for. It's showing you a little funny picture that's saying 10, 1, 8. Okay, those are your hide zero cards. You'll remember your hide zero cards. It looks like this. So is that backwards? Is that forwards? Yes, that's forwards. So 18 is really, I'm hiding the 0. 10 and 8 is 18. That's what is happening here. And that's what we're going to write. They want us to break this team number into 10 and 8. A group of 10 and 8 ones. This is set up for to be our drawing space. So let's go ahead and draw this group of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That is a group of 10. And 8 ones, let's go the other way for 1 still. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we can say that we have one group of 10 and 8 ones. Let's do it again. I'll show you on the high zero. Hold on. So this showed you, it's giving you the group of 10 and 3 ones. When I bring this group of 10 and 3 ones together, I hide the 0. My answer is 13. It's 13. 13 is one group of 10 and 3 ones. So one group of 10 and 3 ones. One group of 10 and 3 ones. All right, you want to practice a little bit more? We can practice a little bit more. Okay. All right, this time they're giving us a number and we have to make our own picture. So 16 is 10 and 6. Let's draw our own picture. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We're going to draw a line through it to indicate that's a group of 10. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No, we're doing this on purpose because eventually we're not going to need to draw the circles. We're just going to draw a stick. We're going to get into what's called quick tens. I think that's like module 4. So just a little bit heavy. So it's very intentional. So we start it like this. Then we straighten it out. Now we've turned it this way, and eventually it'll just be a line. So our pictures are getting more advanced. We're getting fancier with these pictures, y'all. All right, so 16 is the same as what? One group of 10 and 6 ones. All right, last practice problem. It gives us the number 19. This teen number is one group of 10 and 9 ones. Let's draw a picture to show. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I know this is a group of 10. We'll link them together. Just like say your bracelet. Say if we unbound our bracelet and made just a straight line, look, the stick would go through the middle. It would go through the middle. It wouldn't go around it. So yeah, connecting them. We're connecting them. So 9 more. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 10 and 9. So 19 is the same as, pay attention, 9 ones and 1 10. Pay attention, pay attention. 9 ones and 1 10, 19. All right, so that's our we do. We're breaking teen numbers down into 10s and 1s. And now, what do? You do your problem set, which is front and back, starting on page 159 in your Learn book. Once you've done completed your problem set or spent 10 minutes on it, whichever comes first, go do your exit ticket. And then this is what puts us back on the I do. Once you've completed your exit ticket, all the pieces, I'm going to break this down into a few different slides. I'm going to break it up into slightly, I'm going to make some activities with it. It's not just going to be this one-page plain paper. It's going to be a little bit of matching, a little bit of drawing. You'll see when you get there. Click submit, so we go back into the I do, which is check your work and plan for further instruction. If you don't turn this in done, I don't know what you need. You don't get credit. That don't make no sense. I'm just saying. But guys, this does conclude our lesson for today, and I will be seeing you later. I'm going to tell you like I always do. If you have any questions, let me know. But until then,